Hello guys, today let's again solve another problem from strength of materials. So let's begin. So yung problem natin today is eto na, problem 112. So ng strength of materials. So problem 112 states that klaro lang ba? Yan. Determine the cross-sectional areas of members AG, BC, and CE for truss shown in figure 112. The stresses are not to exceed 20 KSI in tension or 14 KSI in compression. A reduced stress in compression is specified to reduce the danger of buckling. So meron tayong answers dito para ma-check natin kung tama yung magiging answer natin mamaya. So this is the figure, and of course sinulat or dinrawing ko na yung figure kanina bago ako nag-start. So yun, yung required natin, required members is area of AG, ano pa ba yan? Area of BC and CE. Area of CE. So yan yung area natin. So meron tayong condition na kapag tension is not to exceed 20 KSI pag tension, pero pag compression is not to exceed 14 KSI. Yan yung condition natin. So first, to solve this, syempre yung approach natin is to find first the reaction at support. So we all know na kapag tawag nito hinge, may dalawang reactions dyan. So it's RA, Y, the Y component, and the X. So kapag roller naman, so alam natin na isa lang. So pwede nyong gawing RDX or RD lang. Either, pwede lang yun. So sige, let's go. Solution. To solve for first, solve natin yung RAY. So yung RAY is just summation of forces Y equals to 0, and forces involved are RAY minus 40 kips and 25, ito 25 yan, so equals to 0. So RAY is just equal to transpose positive, so 65 kips. So yan yung RAY natin. And to solve for RD and RAX, so siguro summation of moment at A tayo to 0. So to solve for RD is negative and rotation. So negative in rotation, so RD is negative times 666 18. And then yung forces, yung dalawang loads dito, so positive sila, 40 times 4 and plus 25 times 4 equals to 8 equals to 0. So RD is equal to 44 plus 25, 8 over 18 equals to 44 plus 25, 8, 18. May 20 kips tayo. So sa napansin nyo, wala nang ibang forces na horizontal. It's RD and RAX lang. So dapat sila mag-counter to each other. So meaning, RD is just equal to RAX equals to 20 kips. Yan. Kasi sila man dalawa yung yung forces along x-axis. So yun. So meron tayong mga reactions. So yun yung first step natin to proceed sa solution natin. So ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is AG, BC, and CE. So solve muna natin yung AG. So yung approach ko dito is to klaro lang ba? Zoom natin. Yan. Yung approach ko dito is to joint method. Joint A. At joint A. So, for area AG, so, joint method, meron akong ganito. Ganyan. And, may ganyan pa pala. Ayan, meron akong RAY of 65 kips. Meron akong 20 kips na RAX. And ito yung AG natin. AG and AB. AB yan. So, yan. Syempre may angle tayo dito. Yung angle dyan is angle is equals tan negative 1 times 6 over 4 equals to 64. 56.31 degrees. Yan. So may angle tayo dyan and masasolve na natin yung AB muna. Summation of forces Y. So summation of forces Y equals to 0. AB sine of 56.31 plus 65 equals to 0. So AB, so magiging compression yung natin, AB natin, sine 56.31 negative 65 sine of 56.31. So meron tayong 78.12 kips compression. So yung natin, yung tawag nito, condition natin kapag compression is to not exceed 14 KSI. So yun yung isa-substitute natin sa ating Q dito sa ating general formula. Yan. Ito yung formula natin, guys. So, yung Q natin is yung 14 kasi nga compression tayo, equals to yung P natin is 78.12, and of course, yung area na hinahanap natin, which is yung sa AG. So, area AG is just equal to transpose and baliktad. So, 78 over 12, 14. Ganyan yung magiging niya. 78.12 and 14. So, meron tayong 5.58 inch squared na area AG. Yun, check natin kung tama ba. So, oops, mukhang mali ako, guys. So, yung dito is AG is equal to 1.17. No. Kasi nga, to? AB pala to. Sorry. AB to. So, hindi to yung hinahanap natin kasi AB to. Yung nasolve natin is not, yung force na nasolve natin is not AG but AB. So, hindi to yung natin. Sorry. So, hanapin pa natin yung force na nandun sa AG. And to solve it, summation of forces x tayo. Summation of forces equals to 0. So, meron tayong 20 kips plus AB So, yung AB natin is 78.12 cosine of 56.31. And 56.31, and the AG plus AG is just equal to 0. So, AG is compression pa rin siya. Siguro. Negative 78.12 cosine of 56.31. So, yung AG natin is 20 minus 78.12 cosine of 56.31. So, double check talaga natin, guys. So, meron tayong 63.33 kips compression. So, compression pa rin siya. Both AB and AG are compression. So, ngayon, substitute na natin dun sa sa formula natin. So, yung natin, Q is 14. Then, yung P natin is 63.33. And, ito na yung area AG. Kaya pala. Kasi AB yung nagawa ko kanina. So, area AG is equal to 63.33 over 14 equals 63.33 14. So, meron tayong bakit parang 4.52 na naman to. So, ano yung answer natin dito? Parang mali na naman to, guys. Yung answer sa book is 1.17 inch squared. 1.17 inch squared. 14 compression. Compression naman. Wait, let me check. Hello, guys. So, upon checking, mayroon na akong slide na na-miss. So, kasi nga, from dito sa AB natin, which is compression siya. So, meaning, itong AB na to is, going inward siya. Inwards dito sa point natin. So, sa equation natin dito sa summation of forces X to find AG, so, dapat to minus. And ito naging plus. So, mali tong force natin dun sa dun sa AG. So, yung force dapat dyan is 78.12 cosine of 56.31 23.33. So, sulat natin dito 23.33 and tension siya. Keeps tension. So, yun, 23. So, tension siya, meaning yung Q is 20. So, yun yung condition natin kapag tension is 20 KSI. So, ngayon, ito is 20. And, mali ito. Sorry. So, yan yung dapat na 23.33 over 14. And we have 1.67 inch squared. Sana tama na to. So sa book is 1.17 and 1.67. Medyo acceptable na siya. Acceptable na yung medyo 50 na difference. 0.50 na difference, guys. So, yan. Ewan ko kung bakit to, negative 20 plus 78.12 cosine of 56.31 divided by 14. So, yun. Same lang, 1.67 yung sagot ko. But sa book is 1.17. Pero, siguro, i-consider na yan mga proof niya. So, next is meron tayong sa AG. So, solve na to. And sa BC na tayo. And for BC is magkakat ako ng section. So, yun, cut, and I will consider BC yung hinahanap. So, kahit either, pwede nyong i-consider either sa section, maybe dito sa up, sa above or sa below na section. So, I will be considering yung sa baba na lang. And for sulat na natin dito for member ABC or area ABC. So meron tayong dito. Ganyan. May ganyan tayo. And may ganyan. So and ganyan. So syempre meron dito yung reactions natin, which is 65 RAY natin and 20. So ito dito is ito yung BC, ito yung FC, ito yung FE. Ito yung natin, yung isolated section ng ng truss natin. So start tayo to solve for member BC. So magsa-summation moment ako dito sa point na to. So ito is point, meron pa pala ito pa ganyan. Ito yung point F. So meaning 0, 0 na yun silang dalawa kasi dito sila directly sa point na to. So meron pa palang forces dito, 40 and 25. So yun. So 0 din yung 25 natin. So summation moment at F equals to 0. Meron tayong BC. So yung natin, components ng BC. So yung BC cosine is 0 din kasi ito siya as you know, going siya directly dun sa moment center. So yung BC sine na lang, or yung y component ng BC natin. So summation moment at F is BC sine of yung angle natin is 56.31 times yung distance of 4 feet. Then what else? 20 negative 20 times yung distance is 6 yan. Then 65 positive 65 times 4 is 8. Tama ba? 4, yes, tama. Then yung 40 natin, negative 40 times 4 equals to 0. So yung BC natin is equal to alpha x sine of 56.31 times 4 minus 20 times 6 plus 65 times 8, 44, 0, shift solve. So meron akong compression of 72.11 kips compression. So mali na naman yung assumption ko. So don't worry guys, kahit mali yung assumption, as long as tama yung sagot mo. As assumption naman, di ba? So hindi mo talaga sure kung tama or mali yung sa pag-assume mo. So ito yung natin sa member BC, force natin. So compression siya, meaning 14 equals to 72.11 over area of BC equals to, so ganyan, ABC equals to 72.11 over 14. So sana correcto, 11 over 14. So meron akong 5.15 inch squared. So check natin to. 5.11. 5.15 pala. So, tumama naman tayo guys. This time is tumama na tayo isang take. So, 5.15 inch squared ABC. So, for area, wala na akong space. So, ano ako ng newspaper. Yan. So, for area, area CE. So, kasi, So, area CE na tayo. Check na to. Ito na lang yung kulang natin. So, for area CE, joint method na lang tayo dun sa D. Then, doon na tayo agad sa joint C. So, hindi kasi tayo pwede magdiretso dito sa joint C kasi kulang yung natin, mga known values. So, for ACE na to at joint D. So, isolate natin yan or gawa tayo ng FBD. So, meron tayong ganyan. RD. Yung RD natin is equals to 20 kips. Ito yung DE and DC. So, summation of forces X is equals to 0. So, meron tayong DC. So may angle tayo dito. Yung angle natin is same pa rin. So, cosine of 56.31 degrees. So, plus or minus. So, negative pala to kasi going to the left and going to the left. So, 20 kips equals to 0. So, transpose 20 over cosine of 56.31. So, ito yung DC natin. Transpose. Yes. Yan. So, compression siya. Cosine of 56.31. Meron tayong 36.06 kips compression. Sa DC yan. And, pwede na ba tayo magdiretso dito? Meron na tayong DC and, ano pa yung nahanap natin? BC. So, meron na tayong 1, 2. So, pwede na tayong punta sa joint C. So, at joint C, so, meron tayong ganyan, may ganyan, and ganyan. So, ito yung CE, compression siya, meaning pag ganyan yung direction ng DC natin. So, yung BC natin is also compression. So, pag ganyan din siya, going talaga sila. So, ito is BC, 72.11. Yan, 72.11. And yung hinahanap natin is yung CE. So, ito. CE. So, no need na natin tong galawin. So, summation of forces X na lang tayo. Summation of forces X equals to 0. So, angle and angle. So, same angle lang sila. So, 36 negative 36.06 cosine of 56.31 plus 72.11 cosine of 56.31 plus CE equals to 0. So, CE is just equal to, calculate na lang tayo, negative 36.06 cosine 56.31 plus 72.11 cosine 56.31 plus x 0. So, CE is compression 19.996 or pwede nating sabihin 20 keeps compression. So compression siya, meaning yung Q natin is 14. So still QPA equals to Q is 14 equals to PA. Yung P is 20 and area of CE. So CE is equal to 20 over 14. So 20 over 14 is 1.42 inch squared. So ito yung area ACE. So check tayo. So 1 area CE is 1.43 and yung answer natin is 1.42, but dahil 1.428 yan, so 1.43 na yan siya. Consider as 1.43. So yung medyo may difference lang is yung area, area AG sa book is 1.17 while yung sa akin is 1.67. So yun guys, yun yung approach ko for this problem. I hope may nakuha kayo, and sorry sa mga medyo mali na alam nyo na, medyo naguluhan lang din, and for you to mag double check talaga before mag-proceed sa next step. So yun lang guys, I hope na nakatulong ako, and thank you for watching, and please do subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. So that's all, and thank you. God bless and keep safe.